A severe thunderstorm warning is now active for Lauderdale, Limestone, and Alabama until about 9:15 p.m. Be aware of damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. The storm is moving east at around 30 miles per hour. Get inside now. Move away from windows and bring in any outdoor items. Stay safe out there. Severe thunderstorms with large hail are moving east across Lauderdale and Limestone counties, now impacting Killen, Lexington, and Anderson. The storm will continue eastward, with the warning set to expire at 9:15 p.m., about 39 minutes from now. Stay alert and seek shelter if you hear the warning tone.